How to add text on Instagram Reels for different times. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can change the text duration on Instagram Reels. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, I will go ahead and then launch the Instagram application. And I will just go ahead and then tap on the plus icon, and I will go to the Reels tab in order to create a reel. Now I will record a random video over here, so let me just go ahead and record it for at least 5 to 6 seconds. So as you can see, once I'm done recording, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can see that this is our current video. And in order to add text to it, I will just tap on the double A icon at the very top of the screen, and as I tap on the double A icon, let me just enter a random text. Once you've entered the text, I could just go ahead and then change the font as well, or I could add some backgrounds to it. And as you can see, let me just zoom in this a little bit and then show you. Now just for the context, I'll also add another text to show you guys, and I'll show you what happens. So I'll tap on the double A icon again, and I'll enter another text. And again, I'll just zoom out a little bit over here, just like this, as you can see, and I'll add it to the bottom. So by default, you can see that this text is added to the whole of the sections from start to the end. And if you want to change the duration, let's say the first one is over here, so I'll select the first text over here. And as you can see, this little slider hovering over the screen, what you have to do is you have to simply drag this to the point of time where you want the text to appear. So as you can see, if you want to appear between this frame to this frame, you have to simply drag this slider to that particular frame. If you want it somewhere at the end of the screen, just basically you have to just drag this out to the very end of the screen. Or if you want only at the beginning, just drag this out to the very beginning as well. So let me show you how this looks like. If I just go ahead and then select it from the very random at the top. So as you can see, the text is basically going to get disappeared if I tap on the check button, just like that. Now if I want to select the another text, for example, I'll just tap on the second one, and I'll just go ahead and select another duration over here, and just like that, I'll tap on the next button. Now if I play it from the beginning, as you can see, we have the first text, this is going to disappear, and the second text is going to appear. So as I said, you have to select the text and drag this one over here. This was a little confusing for everybody at first, but after watching this video, I'm sure you will be able to do this on your own. Now just go ahead and then make the changes you want. This is how you can go ahead and then add text for different times on Instagram Reels. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.